America harvests 3.25 billion pounds of strawberries annually, 90% from California's sun-blessed coast. But the entire spring crop, billions of berries, must be picked in just 8 furious weeks. No protective skin, no shelf-life armor. The strawberry is agriculture's most fragile multi-billion-dollar gamble. American strawberries reach Canada, Mexico, Japan, and South Korea, over 309 million pounds exported annually. Florida's 15,000 winter acres fill the gap when California's coast cools, keeping berries on shelves year-round. 50,000 pickers will descend on California's fields, each one touching 10,000 strawberries per day. From vine to grocery shelf in 72 hours. Or the strawberry begins its irreversible slide to waste. Once picked, the strawberry's own respiration creates heat that accelerates decay. The clock starts ticking immediately. Behind every $4 clamshell lies a $3 billion war machine of engineering, logistics, and human endurance. How does American agriculture deliver 3 billion pounds of the world's most fragile fruit in 8 weeks? Months before planting, the strawberry's battlefield is prepared. 42,885 acres of California soil. Every field is tested. pH must hit 5.5 to 6.5, or the strawberry plant will starve. California's alkaline soils are chemically rewritten with sulfur, acidifying the earth for strawberry roots. The soil is sterilized, killing every weed, seed, and pathogen before the strawberry plug touches the earth. Black plastic mulch warms the soil, retains moisture, and blocks weeds, the strawberry's protective blanket. Drip irrigation tape is buried 2 inches deep, every strawberry plant's direct line to water. Raised beds improve drainage and warm faster, giving strawberry roots the perfect growing environment. GPS-guided tractors lay rows with sub-inch precision, ensuring every plant gets exactly the same growing conditions. Thousands of tons of compost are worked into the soil, feeding the strawberry's hungry roots. Strawberry fields are prepared 6 to 24 months in advance. Patience is agriculture's hidden virtue. California's strawberry water begins as Sierra snowmelt, traveling 400 miles through concrete rivers. On-farm reservoirs store millions of gallons, insurance against California's unpredictable droughts. Agronomists retest soil pH weekly. The strawberry's health depends on chemistry down to the decimal point. The final dissing creates a flawless seedbed, smooth as glass for the strawberry plugs. After months of preparation, the field is ready. 42,885 acres await the strawberry plugs. Every commercial strawberry begins in a lab. Tissue culture clones from a single mother plant. One mother plant yields thousands of clones, genetically identical strawberries, every single one. Lab-grown plantlets move to greenhouses, hardening off before facing California's sun. Plugs are harvested as bare root bundles, shipped alive to fields across the state. Greenhouse workers pull plug. Millions of strawberry plugs travel in refrigerated trucks every hour, counts for survival. Monterey is California's most planted cultivar, bred for flavor, yield, and disease resistance. Mechanical transplanters plant 10,000 plugs per hour, each one precisely spaced in the row. Workers follow every machine, hand-pressing soil around each plug for perfect root contact. Plants are spaced 18 inches apart, dense enough for yield, open enough for air circulation. The first irrigation baptizes the plugs. Water is life for the newly planted strawberry. Florida grows brilliance, bred for visual quality and pest resistance in the humid South. Across 42,885 acres, strawberries are planted in waves, a continuous harvest from April to November. Below the plastic, roots establish. the strawberry's hidden network of survival. California's strawberry water begins as Sierra snowmelt, a 400-mile journey to the coast. The California aqueduct moves billions of gallons. Strawberries drink from this concrete river. On-farm reservoirs store winter rain and snowmelt, drought insurance for the strawberry. Miles of mainline pipe deliver water from reservoir to every drip tape in the field. Water is filtered to remove every particle. Drip emitters clog at the slightest impurity. Ripen. Fertilizer is injected directly into irrigation water, feeding the strawberry with every drop. Precise pump. Every drip tape connects to the main line, a direct pipeline to each strawberry root. Water fills the drip tape. Every emitter delivers 1 gallon per hour to each plant. Water moves through soil like a wave, creating a perfect wetting pattern for roots. Observational documentation of soil physics. Pressure must remain constant. Too low, no water. Too high, burst tape. The gauge face shows clear pressure readings. Irrigation runs at night, reducing evaporation and delivering water precisely when plants need it. Every drop is tracked digitally. Strawberry farmers manage water with military precision, using real-time data to optimize yield. Strawberries are fed a precise chemical recipe: calcium, nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. Fertilizers dissolve in mixing tanks, creating the liquid feed for every plant. When the liquid feed for every plant. pH is adjusted daily. Strawberries demand 5.8 to 6.2 for perfect nutrient absorption. EC meters measure nutrient strength. Too weak and plants starve. Too strong and roots burn. Areas. Injection pumps. Injection pumps pulse with precision. Each stroke delivers the exact nutrient dose. Wireless sensors monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrients. Data streams to the farmer's phone. Farmers monitor fertigation from anywhere. Real-time data drives every feeding decision. Calcium builds strong cell walls, the difference between a firm strawberry and a mushy one. Every day, the strawberry receives its feed, water and nutrients delivered to the root. With perfect nutrition, the strawberry plant explodes, from plug to flowering bush in weeks. Strawberry flowers open, each one a universe of 200+ pistils waiting for pollen. Trucks deliver millions of bees, rented pollinators arriving for the 2-week bloom window. Okay, let's start with the front pallets. Ready. 1 to 2 hives per acre. Each colony sends 50,000 bees into the strawberry flowers. Each hive costs $65 to $220. Pollination is a $50 million annual expense. Every pistil must receive pollen, or the strawberry grows misshapen and unsellable. Native bees crawl deeper than honeybees, creating more complete pollination and better-shaped berries. The pollination window is just 7 to 10 days. Miss it and the crop is lost. Accelerated observational documentation of the bloom. Poor pollination creates misshapen berries. Unmarketable, worthless, a total loss. Bees travel a national circuit, almonds to strawberries to blueberries, following the bloom. Colony health is checked daily. Weak hives mean poor pollination and lower strawberry yields. The beekeeper must. Growers demand 4 to 6 frames of bees per hive. Strength equals pollination success. Pollination triggers the miracle. The flower receptacle swells into the strawberry we eat. The strawberry canopy creates shade, protecting berries from sunburn and conserving moisture. Runners are removed by hand. Every runner steals energy from fruit production. It's a precise and continuous manual labor. Old leaves are pruned, improving airflow and reducing fungal disease pressure. Frost fans run all night, pulling warm air down to protect flowers from freezing. Overhead sprinklers create protective ice. As water freezes, it releases. Fungicide sprays protect against powdery mildew, the strawberry's most persistent enemy. Drones spot spray fungicide, targeting disease with surgical precision and reducing chemical use. An efficient, autonomous solution. Pest scouts walk every row, looking for the first sign of trouble in the strawberry. These scouts are the eyes on the ground, ensuring the crop predatory mites are released. Nature's hit squad against spider mites and thrips. Weather stations track every variable: wind, rain, humidity, temperature. Defense against the unknown. Heat waves stress the strawberry. Extra irrigation keeps flowers from aborting. Workers rush to irrigate as overheaders. Shade cloth reduces sunburn, protecting the strawberry's delicate skin. Workers pull shade cloth over hoops. Pathologists diagnose disease in the lab, identifying threats before they spread through the field. Through careful observation, the threat is isolated. Biological fungicides use beneficial bacteria, fighting disease without harsh chemicals. Second-year plantings have surged 600% since 2018, reducing costs by reusing established plants. Perfect canopy management, the difference between a good crop and a great one. The result of expert management is evident in this perfectly uniform field. The first ripe strawberry appears, the starting gun for the 8-week harvest sprint. Let's examine this flawless berry. At sunrise, 50,000 pickers take the field. The harvest army mobilizes. Every picker carries clippers and a basket, tools of the strawberry harvest trade. Pickers bend 10,000 times a day, the most physically demanding job in agriculture. A skilled picker harvests a strawberry every 5 seconds, without breaking stride. Observe the fluid motion. Pick only the reddest. Strawberries don't ripen after picking. Color is everything. Pickers sweep leaves aside, finding every berry hidden beneath the canopy. The picker's hand is gluckin. Each basket holds 8 pounds of strawberries, picked, sorted, and culled in seconds. Layers of perfect root. Every second counts out here. Keep it moving.
Coming through.
Watch the crate. Berries are tray-packed in the field, 8 pounds per tray, protected from bruising. Field pent. At peak, 7 to 8 million trays ship weekly, a river of strawberries leaving the fields. Fields are picked every 3 days. Strawberries ripen at different times, requiring multiple passes to ensure a continuous harvest from the same crop. Every tray is culled, damaged berries removed before they reach the cooling facility. 3.25 billion pounds in 2024, each berry picked by human hands. Night harvesting beats the heat. Cooler berries last longer in the cold chain. The cooler trucks wait at field edges. Berries go from plant to cold in minutes. The 1-hour rule. Field heat must be removed, or the strawberry begins to decay. Thermal imaging shows the drop. 85-degree field heat to 32-degree Stroud in under an hour. Forced air. Oxnard's winter crop extends the season. California strawberries are now available year-round, harvested in January despite the cool weather. Watsonville peaks in summer, the heart of California's strawberry empire. The final pass. The 8-week sprint ends, the field goes quiet. The workers move slowly, searching for the last few berries. 3.25 billion pounds harvested in 8 weeks. The strawberry miracle is complete. Central Coast California at golden hour. Forced air cooling pulls heat from berries. 1 hour to reach 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Hydrocooling takes just 13 minutes, the fastest way to stop decay. Every pallet is probed. Core temperature must hit 32 degrees Fahrenheit before shipping. Millions of pounds sit in cold storage, waiting for the next leg of their journey. A 4-hour cooling delay reduces shelf life by days. The cold chain tolerates no hesitation. Refrigerated trucks roll out. The strawberries' journey to America begins. Temperature loggers track every mile, proof that the cold chain was never broken. Truck convoys carry strawberries north, from field to table in 72 hours. Distribution centers sort millions of pounds. Strawberries fan out across America. From field to store, the temperature never rises above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold chain holds. Fresh strawberries enter the processing facility. No water, no washing, just air. Air blasts remove debris. Strawberries are never washed. Water invites rot. Optical sorters photograph every berry, 30 images per second, detecting defects. AI detects bruises invisible to the human eye, rejecting flawed berries in milliseconds. Air jets fire instantly. Defective berries are ejected at 60 miles per hour. Robots pack clamshells, each one holding exactly 1 pound of perfect berries. The operation is automated, precise. Every clamshell is weighed, precision down to the 10th of an ounce. Labels identify every clamshell, traceability from field to fork. The 1-pound clamshell is America's strawberry standard. 8 billion sold annually. Quality control tests every batch. Brix, firmness, color, the strawberries report card. Brix measures sugar. Sweeter strawberries command premium prices. Firmness testing ensures shelf life. Soft berries don't travel well. The test is quick and effective, measuring the resistance to. Organic strawberries are processed on separate lines to prevent any cross-contamination. California's new laws demand sustainable packaging. The clamshell is being reinvented. See the future of packaging being developed. Robots palletize finished cases, ready for the next leg of the journey. Observational documentation of robotic palletizing. Not all strawberries go fresh. Millions of pounds are frozen for year-round use. FDA rules require washing for frozen berries. Fresh strawberries are never washed. Observe the workers inspect every berry. Defects are removed before the freeze. The inspection is thorough and fast, a critical quality control measure before freezing. IQF tunnels flash freeze at -40 degrees Celsius. Individual berries, not frozen blocks. The -40 degrees to air blasting the berry. Frozen strawberries emerge hard as stone, ready for bulk storage. Frozen strawberries export worldwide. Canada, Mexico, Japan, South Korea. Midnight, and these semis carry fresh strawberries. The 72-hour global sprint begins. Air cargo carries premium strawberries to Asia. Japan pays top dollar. The high-value cargo handled with care in a California airport facility. Boeing 777 freighters carry strawberries across the Pacific in 12 hours. The massive scale of the air freight operation. 12 hours over the Pacific. California strawberries bound for Tokyo. This epic journey transports fresh produce. 309 million pounds exported in 2025. Strawberries are global currency. The sheer scale of this trade is America imports 590 million pounds. Mexico fills the winter gap. Observational data shows this reality. The journey ends where it began. A shopper chooses a perfect California strawberry. Climate change, labor costs, and robots threaten the future. But the strawberry endures.